We have more than 60 years of experience in producing tantalum and niobium materials, always pushing the limits of the technology. For the additive manufacturing industry, we developed the AMtrinsic Spherical metal powders.
Our special capabilities are based on deep knowledge in the chemistry and physics of the refractory metal alloys, and it is urgently required to adjust specific composition and properties of our materials. And the background here is that we really want to introduce intrinsic properties for additive manufacturing, and this is where the name AMtrinsic derives from.
So the special intrinsic properties that our materials offer are based on the characteristics of tantalum niobium and also alloys that contain those elements. And those include, for example, high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, and also superconductive properties. And this makes these powders a very good solution for applications where you have very high demanding environments and very specific requirements.
To drive the innovation, we work with a broad network of knowledgeable and skilled partners like the Laserzentrum Hanover. As our material need to work in our customer's process, it's crucial for us to exchange with these process experts. We use their feedback to improve our materials.
The most important powder properties for the laser powder bed fusion processes are the sphericity of the powder, the grain distribution, the grain size, and for sure the agglomeration of the powder, so all in all the flowability. And the AMtrinsic powder has an excellent processability at all.
On the one hand, we provide tantalum niobium and alloys that contain those. And on the other hand, we offer also a high degree of flexibility when it comes to the compositions of materials. So this means we can vary alloys from binary to multinary, even extending to high entropy alloys with different elemental composition. And in this way, we can adjust the material properties to the specific requirements of the application.
Additive manufacturing offers the chance to bridge between the digital and the real world. So we start with a digital file, and out of powder and our laser beam, we can create a real product.